In this video, we'll show you how to fix an error you might encounter when trying to log into SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. Even if your login credentials are correct, you may still get an error if SQL Server Authentication mode is not enabled. To fix this, first log in to SQL Server using Windows Authentication mode. Once logged in, right-click on the SQL Server instance and select Properties. Go to the Security page and enable both SQL Server and Windows Authentication mode. After that, restart the SQL Server service to apply the changes. As you can see, the error is now resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.